What's up everybody, thank you for checking this video and welcome back to the PHP for Beginners series. In the previous video, we simply created an initial boilerplate and outputted some simple strings. Today, we're going to take an initial look at how the print and echo methods differ from each other. Let's open the PHP tags at the top of the file and define a new variable by using the $sign. That's how PHP defines simple variables. Let's call it title and give it a string. Now, in the h1 tag of our page, we can echo that variable. Great! Let's now create a description variable and do the same thing in the h2 tag. But in this case, we're gonna use the print method. Print and echo are the two most commonly used methods in PHP to output data. They might look identical at first glance, but in reality, they have some substantial differences. Echo can output multiple values separated by a comma. Print can't. And if we try, we're gonna have an error. In this case, you will notice that your page goes completely blank. That's because PHP encountered a critical error and can't correctly output any information. Obviously, a blank page is not helpful at all, especially while we're developing something. So let's change our PHP config in order to force it to show all errors and warnings generated by our code. Remember what we did in the previous lesson? We use the PHP info method to see a bunch of information. If we search for display_errors, you will see that it's currently turned off in our settings. Let's access our php.ini file inside the location of our current PHP installed version. Also, the correct directory can be found in the output of the PHP info method. Let's open this file and search for the display_errors attribute and change it to on. Save and close the php.ini file and restart PHP FPM to let it pick up our recent changes. Now, if we reload the page with the wrong usage of the print method, we will get some much needed and helpful error information that we can use to troubleshoot our problems. Let's continue. The print method can't concatenate strings, while echo can. Echo is also slightly faster than print. So at this point, the question comes to mind, why would anyone use print? Print can do a fundamental thing that echo can't, which is the ability to be used inside ternary operators. Let's look at this very simple condition in which we echo yes if the variable x is equal to 1 or no if it's not. A ternary operator allows us to write a condition all in one line without the need of writing the if and else statements. Simply wrap the condition around parentheses, add a question mark, and then separate the two responses, true and false, by a colon. We will see more about ternary and more complicated operators in future videos. In this situation, the echo method is not allowed and it will throw an error. The print method, on the other hand, it's perfectly suited for these scenarios. That's pretty much it for this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Be sure to ring the bell to not miss any upcoming tutorials of this series. Thank you so much for watching, and happy coding!